Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off and unplugging the headset so you don't tug cables or trigger audio hardware. Once done, inspect the seam and find the small notch where the cup meets the housing. You'll use your fingers or a flat tool to lift there. Apply even, gentle pressure. The cup is held by plastic clips, so pry slowly to avoid breaking tabs. Make sure to keep removed clips or foam, store them in a small tray so nothing gets lost. Once the outer cup is lifted, pull the foam padding off to expose the driver and any cable connector. If the cable is detachable, unplug by pressing the small latch. You're swapping components, so compare old and new cups for orientation. Left versus right matters. Line up the replacement cups clips with the slots and press from top to bottom. You'll feel or hear 2 to 3 clicks as each clip engages. If resistance feels wrong, stop and realign before forcing. After snapping the cups in place, reattach the foam and reconnect any internal cable, then plug the headset into your device. You should test audio and mic at low volume to confirm driver polarity and microphone continuity. This verifies you didn't reverse left/right or damage the connector. If you hear crackling or no sound, power down, remove the cup, reseat the cable, and inspect clips for broken plastic. As a final troubleshooting tip, swap back the original.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.